Good day. Here's the latest news for today. To better understand everything about COVID-19, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan encourages everyone to invest on research by reading published articles in journals. In addition, he stresses on his message that everything, including vaccines, is still on trial and we should prevent death. Let's hear Raymark Simania for the update.
Queen Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan believes that reading is one of the best ways to learn, which is why he encourages the people to invest on research that will educate oneself on issues, especially about COVID-19.
After being invited in a forum on Saturday and talk about the use of ivermectin to a COVID-19 positive patient, Provincial IATF Chief said that investing on research is important to understand why some doctors are giving these kind of medicines to patients.
Now, read so you will understand why is it that there is a group of people, there is a group of doctors pushing this kind of medicines para sa atong kaninyang COVID.
Besides, Dr. Kalingasan said that everything including the vaccines is still on trial, and investing on research will give people enough knowledge to prevent death, which sadly becomes the trend.
Everything today is on trial. So, I do not care if everybody gets infected. Sige, infect everybody, but there should be a treatment. We should stop death o dili na kay na madugangan pa ang nangamatay din sa probinsya sa Misamis Oriental with these medicines that we have today.
The IATF chief also gives advice to not be dependent on a single source of information. Instead, make use of journals as sources of information and others found online.
Doctors have critical roles of an effective response to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is why Dr. Jerry Kalingasan reminds them to always read and decide with the best of their ability to help patients suffering with it, which is what Governor Bambi Imano is looking forward with high hopes for the province to be COVID-19 free. This is Raymark Simania, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Raymark. In another story, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental with Governor Bambi Imano's vigorous leadership took the lead on taking risks for the good of his constituents, especially during this pandemic due to COVID-19. Herein drafted guidelines regarding new normal living in the province shall be implemented at pace together with the MODHA core team. Here's Regiana Mormaygay for the report.
Yes, Queen. Misamis Oriental under Governor Bambi Imano's leadership, despite of the current crisis due to COVID-19, unceasingly gears on advancing to greater heights its tourism programs, which in effect leads to economic stability. In line with this, the governor affirmed his strong stance regarding the opening of all tourist spots with limited capacity that may favor all vaccinated individuals.
Along the annual celebration every third week of September of the Misamis Oriental Province-wide Tourism Week with the theme Resilient Tourism in a New Normal, Governor Bambi Imano highlighted during his speech at the specified event's commencement exercises that he would focus on deriving at a theory or proposal that would be termed as the drafted guidelines on new normal living in the province. This plan, as Governor Bambi reiterated, shall be made possible together with the efforts of Provincial Interagency Task Force led by Dr. Jerry P. Kalingasan in collaboration with Provincial Tourism and ATOM, the MODHA and Provincial Board members, so with all local chief executives around the province.
We have to start making our own guidelines and we take the risk, as I say, sink or swim, but we must make a stand. And the best stand that we will be making during the pandemic, during this time, we will have to stand by it. So do not be afraid to make and draft the needed new normal living in the province.
Moreover, Governor Bambi Imano strongly believes and has confidence that with taking risks, they might come up to the best-made solution. The presence of the pandemic, as observed, that's long been affecting so much the livelihood of Misamisnons, now shall have a correlational dependence on the rules that will be crafted to be shared to all local chief executives, then to be approved by the tourism officers.
Undeniably, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental under Governor Bambi Imano's governorship has been relentless and tireless, reaching numerous progresses even throughout this pandemic, of which This meant protecting, sustaining, and thriving with all those who have invested already and shall invest more towards better days for the continuous utmost development on tourism ventures. This is Regina Mormaygay, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen.
Thanks, Regian. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I'm Queen Exclamador. Good day.